Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Derek, in case you're new. And yeah, you're late, but that's okay. Let me show you guys what we've been up to. We have been working on the very front of the property, getting it all cleaned up and everything, trying to make it look nice. And let me show you what it used to look like compared to what it looks like right now. So this is what the front of the property used to look like. Pretty much just woods and them little small sweet gums and that kind of stuff. This is the left side of the driveway, which we have not done. So you can see how it looks. It's still growed up. And this is the right side of the driveway. So as you can see, it is cleared. Well, we're getting there. It's almost cleared. This is a tree that I just cut down, and I was taking a break getting some water. But this side used to look like that other side. You can kind of see through here where we've been cutting trees and pulling them up and just trying to clean it up, make it where it'd be a nice yard. Right now, it was kind of growed up and there's leaves everywhere, couldn't get any sunlight, and it pretty much looked like, just dirt. Couldn't no grass grow here. And we want it to look nice, we want it to look pretty. So we, this week, just every day after work for about an hour, came out here. We've been pulling trees, trying to pull the ones we can so we get the stumps and everything up. And then the ones that are too big, of course, we're trying to cut those today. But just wanted to show you guys what we're working on today. So I'm gonna hop back on the tractor, cut some more trees to get this cleaned up, and then I'll come back in a minute. All right, guys, it's been about an hour and a half or so, and let me show y'all the progress that we've got done. All right, so as you can see, we cut down about 10 more trees. So all of this in the front here has been cleared. You know, that's the driveway right there, and this is that front area we were getting clean. So we were able to pull some of them up, some of them we had to cut. So there's a few stumps around, like you can see one there, one there, a couple, but not too bad. Next thing I'm gonna do is I've got a little land plane that I'm gonna hook on the back of the John Deere there and see how well I can smooth this out and try to maneuver around these stumps. Just get it where I can kind of clean it up a little bit. We'll keep chipping away at it day by day, but just trying to get it cleaned up a little bit. And we're gonna take a break, and then we're gonna finish that over there. That's about all we got left. But I have reached the point where I need a break. The last tree I cut was tough, so I'm gonna take me a water break, grab me some lunch, and then we're gonna come out here and finish cleaning that stuff up. Let me show y'all the pile real quick where we're putting all these trees. The pile is getting pretty big, and we're gonna end up having to get another tractor over here with a front end loader so we can kind of push it together. Camera don't do it justice. It kind of flattens everything out, but these are all those trees and we've just been dragging over here. That's that old pile y'all seen in the videos in the past. I got it all burned up and there's just a little bit left, but we're stacking it back up. That's about, I don't know, 10 or 11 more trees over there. We're gonna keep going a little bit longer, and then I'll probably have to go borrow a tractor from a friend or something that's got a front end loader, try to get it stacked up a little bit better and make it burn. But take a quick break, see you in a minute. And we're back. All right, took a good nice little break, got some water. Emily took the girls to the splash pad. I've got the trailer hooked up to the tractor, and now I'm gonna pick up some of these limbs and stuff out here, and then I'm gonna hook up to the land plane and see if we can smooth it out. So let's go. Found some Mike's Hard and some Dos Equis out here. Somebody had a good time. All right, I got a decent amount of the sticks and everything picked up. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this trailer, hook onto the land plane. And I don't know how well the land plane is gonna do out here, just because there's still a lot of sticks and stuff on the ground. But worst case scenario, it's gonna pick all the sticks up for me, or at least put them in a pile. So I'm gonna go unhook and we'll grab that. We'll be back in a minute. Land plane's hooked up. Let's go level it out, see if we can smooth some ground off. All right, guys, it has been about 2 hours. Don't know what happened. The tractor is down. I was running the tractor, pulling the land plane. Everything seemed to be fine, and all of a sudden, boom, it just shut off. And I cannot get it to crank back up. I checked the oil, because I actually changed the oil in the tractor this morning. I checked the oil. Oil was fine. I took the filter off just to make sure there was actually oil flowing through the filter, like it wasn't an oil pump problem or something like that. All that's fine. Once I let it cool off, I checked the coolant. It's full of coolant. It's got fuel in it. I don't know. I'm at a loss at the moment. I don't know what's wrong with it. It will not turn over when you hit the starter. I mean, it's just, you can hear it trying, but just nothing happens. Motor is probably locked up in it, I'm assuming. I did get Emily to pull me, and while it's in gears, the wheels will turn, but the motor won't. So something's broke. But so I think we're gonna call it here. Not gonna be able to do anything else until I get the tractor fixed. So yeah, I think we're just gonna end this video here. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.